Hello my friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Editor Pro. Today in this video I'm going to show you, to explain you the main tools that every content creator must have. There are tools that every content creator should have. If you are a beginner on YouTube, a beginner YouTuber, there are tools that you must have. But if it is the first time you see me or you see our channel, try to subscribe so that you will never miss any update from our YouTube channel. So let's dive in. Before you start working on YouTube, there is the main tool that you must have. It is a camera or a mobile phone. As the camera can be very expensive, you can use your smartphone. It's like this one. You can use this to shoot your videos, edit your videos, and upload them on internet, on YouTube. Yes, you will need this phone to shoot, to edit, and upload your videos on YouTube. The reason why I say that this tool is very important for every beginner. And then if you are a pro, you need a camera to shoot videos. Yeah, but there are some cases in which you cannot need any camera or any phone to shoot images. You will need it only for video editing and a video upload, because there are some faceless videos and they are working good on YouTube. Faceless videos, they are working good on YouTube. Okay, let's continue. As many YouTubers or many experts on YouTube are saying that a good video is the one which is having a good sound. If your video has a good sound, it means that it is a good video. So to get a good sound, you will need a mic that you will connect on your phone. Yeah, you will need a mic like this. This is a mic that works very good with the Android phones. Yes, you can use this if you are able to buy this. But if you are not able to buy this mic, I can advise you to use a headphone. A headphone is also working perfectly if you don't have this one. Or if you are a beginner and you have enough money, let me show you the mic you need to buy. This one or this, you can use them. Yeah, okay, without any problem. Yes, okay, this is K9 and it is working on smartphone only, not for iPhone. But there is another type of this K9 that is working on both iPhone and Android. As you see, they said that it is not working for iPhone. Yes, okay, it is on Type-C only. I think that, see here, let me show you here. See, they said that it is for Type-C, not for iPhone. Yeah, okay, if you are able to buy this, it is working perfectly. Even me, you are hearing very good my voice is clear. There is no noise, no air. The sound is clear because of this one or this one. I'm using this one now. I'm using this one. As you see here, I'm using this mic. Yeah, it is good, but it is somehow expensive, but not too much. Okay, it was the tool number 2. The tool number 3 is what? Someone can guess what? Now let me tell you. You see that my face is clear. Do you imagine why you are seeing me clearly? It is because of this light, the ring light. You see, the ring light. The more I approach it, the more my face becomes clear. Okay, I'm using this, and then I'm also using this. Let me show you through my phone. I'm also using that one. This one is the light that I'm using. I will show you. Don't worry, I will show you through this phone. Yeah. Okay. The one that is shooting me cannot see the ring light. The reason why I'm using this to show you the ring light that I'm using. Okay. It was the third tool. The ring light. The ring light is very necessary. If I turn off the light, the ring light, the big ring light, my face will not be clear. Okay, let me turn off, and they will realize that there is no luminosity. Okay, you see that there is changement. Let me remove this also. See that? You see me? How do you see me? Hey, my face becomes unclear because of the lack of light. Let me turn on again the light from the beginning light. Okay, now you see me very well because of light. You see that my face is very clear. Okay, if you want to make a good video, you need those tools, but there is the last tool. The last tool is what? Is your head. I mean your ideas, because you can't go on YouTube and they tell people whatever you need. No, you will tell them what you have prepared, and you will tell them what they need. Sometimes you can teach them, can help them via your videos, and you will gain viewers, and after gaining viewers, you will gain money. You will earn money from YouTube. YouTube is a business, and I advise every people who are able to make videos to start from now. It is very important. This channel is my second channel. My first channel and is generating some money for me because it has been already monetized, and I started a second channel because I have seen that it is a big business. So if you are a beginner, try to get those 4 tools, and you will grow your YouTube channel. If it is the first time you see me, try to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the bell so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. This channel is about to grow YouTube. We will show you tips and tricks to grow on YouTube, how to edit videos, how to edit thumbnails. We will explain you very important tricks and tips to grow on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video where we will share other tricks. Bye bye. See you soon.